Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to use the in-flight simulator on Google Earth. The first thing you want to do is, of course, have your desktop open. If you're using a laptop, please stay in the video. It's definitely the same practices or process, okay? So please, you need to have Google Earth installed first. You're going to name Google Earth Pro. Now, how to install it? Simply open any browser you have right there. For example, let me just open this one, Google Chrome. If you want to use Microsoft Edge, please do so. And I'll simply click on Google Earth, or rather type it. Once I have Google results right there, you can see Map Versions Pro, this version Google Earth, right there, right? Now simply add another word that says download. Again, Google Earth download, okay? Give it a second to load right here. As you can see right there, Earth versions, this is the one you want, and this is the landing page you're going for. Simply click on Google Pro Earth. If you want it via mobile, via web, it's really up to you guys. Since we're using a desktop, I'm gonna go for a desktop right there. Simply click on this one. After click on this one, you're gonna download the APK file or the application file. Simply run it, install it, and you'll have this one right here. Okay, by default, it will be saved on your desktop. So simply open it, double click on that one, full screen. Now we have Google Earth application opened up. Now with this one, choose any map or any location you're choosing from. For example, let's look here. I'm gonna go from United States to Wyoming. So the first thing I want to do is, of course, open the toolbar right there, select the ruler, and then path, and then show evaluation right there, mouse navigation, okay, and then click on the length. Let's just say around kilometers, okay, and that's it. Simply click on United States and Wyoming, and you're good to go. Next up is gonna be tools again, in-flight simulator, that's it, and choose on the radio button which flight or which plane you want to choose from. I'm going for F-16, and you can also choose the airport you want to land through. Now I'm just gonna click on the current view and start flight. Now with that, I am now enjoying myself as a pilot on Google Earth. I can also control it via the mouse button of the location I'm going through. As you can see right there, this is the in-flight simulator you're looking for. So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one, okay? Goodbye for now.